Hello, hello, and welcome back to Jillie's Nails. Today we are going to do some cute little glittery cheetah nails. I've never done a cheetah pattern before. I'm having fun playing lately if you can't tell. So the first thing we're going to do is go in with Cocoa Bay from Sinful Colors. I do 2 coats of this, but I do show you, and if you want to see my last mani, I'll put a tag above there for you. I'm showing you this now with just 1 coat on it. Because it is a nice sheer if you have a darker complexion with just 1 coat. But if you go ahead and do 2 coats, it becomes almost fully opaque. And that's kind of the look that I want for this. Now I'm going in with Black Magic. It is from Maniology. And I'm going to use this hollow glitter polish. I thought it would be fun to do that to make the spots. And studio lights are pretty harsh on hollow glitter, so you may not see much of the glitter in this, but it does actually show up, and it's really cute. So we're just going in over and over. It's a wash, rinse, and repeat kind of thing. Now you can turn the stamper different ways if you want to, and that'll change the pattern up just a little bit, or you can kind of just move it around a little bit, however much room you have on your nails. And I forgot to put the label on this, I'm sorry about that. This is Spiced Orange from Maniology. This was in my top 2019 playlist. I'll put some cards up there for you on that. But I'm just using that to go in and dot the centers of all of the little animal print pattern. And I am being very kind of loose form with that too, and just kind of dropping it in there, not necessarily following the design exactly. I want it to look kind of rough and patterned. Well, I guess I could say that's a rough pattern, not rough and patterned. I'm tired. It's late. Here's a fun, crazy fact. The more southern I sound, the more tired I am. Or really mad, but if I'm southern and mad, that's bad. Run, 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 run. And I forgot to write down the name of that polish. It was from Paparazzi. It is a gold glitter topper. So cute. Love their toppers. Like, really turning into a fan of their toppers. And I'm just dotting that very lightly, that gold glitter topper, in the middle of the spiced orange dots. It looked a little flat just on its own in the studio lights, but giving it that just tiny bit of glitter made such a huge difference in this. It really made it pop. It gave it so much more dimension, and I ended up loving this. And normally I'm not a fan of animal prints. Loved this mani. So, if you want to see some more fun and cute manis that I have, go ahead and click in the upper right hand corner, and you can click on my face in the left hand corner to subscribe. I would appreciate it. Let me know if you have a video you want to see below. Thanks for watching.